I got it! I got the alert in New York!
Rainfall below flood stage after midnight tonight.
I did it! Even though it was staticky. Let me put my pen back up. That doesn't look warm anymore. I've actually put that on underwear. But that was the first time. I caught, except for the Wednesday near words, that I caught all the word. And this was actually the first word that I caught from Dutchess County, New York. So, yeah, if there are any more flood warnings for river areas, I would go for it. No. Okay. But it looks like this one is a perfect one. So just caught it. First activation. Yeah, first activation. What if? I will try to see you soon. ABC team. What the? And someone is doing a haircut. So in the meantime, we do everything.